Good morning, everyone. I know. Who is she? It's 4:51 in the morning. Who is she waking up this early? You guys, I'm very excited. I just got here in Atidali. I'm gonna pick her up, go to Atimayet, and I'm just excited. We're going to Canada and Niagara Falls. So it is 4:51 in the morning, and it's Friday, and it's October 10th, 2025. All the details. Sweater weather, it's finally here. It's currently 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That is cold for me. Not complaining because we're going out. We're going on a trip. Atimayet's driving. I know she's gonna be driving for 6 hours, but like, yay, Atimayet. We're gonna wake her up. She worked last night and I don't think she had enough sleep for sure. I'm back on vlogging again because why not? I enjoy doing it. I was just getting lazy. Life just getting out of hand. I like to record memories because life has no replay or rewind, so take a lot of photos and videos. Enjoy life. On the road. What time is it? Good morning, everyone. It's 6 o'clock, 6:44 in the morning. We're on the road heading to Canada. A beautiful morning. Good morning. Good morning. There you go. Early bird catches the worms. We just woke up, guys. Well, just kidding. We've been on the road for an hour almost. Canada, we're coming for you. Ito na. Ayan. Sweater weather. Concentrate. Walang tulugan yan ah.
Mountain.
Yeah.
There you are.
We're in. Sunrise. Beautiful. A little update. Tulog. Yeah, 8:31 in the morning. We're halfway there. Wow. Yan. Gising na. Ang baby namin. Dididi na yan. Dididi na.
Welcome to New York.
Wala, welcome to New York.
Hello.
The view is just gorgeous.
So we're now in New York.
Wala, New York na din.
Happy ta dire? Picnic fun. Malapit ang
Hello, wow. We're here now in New York.
Ayun, doon, magparitrato tayo.
So,
Doon sa I Love New York.
yun na.
Hello!
Dito ka na humamak sa city. Ako nga nandito eh. Doon ka pa humamak.
So, we're stopping by. We're gonna go restroom and maybe magkakain kasi nagbubutok.
Tulungan natin, Ting.
Marami ka nang kukunin ha. Punta kami. Halika na.
Saan, kukunin natin lahat.
Sa Nigara.
Ito mo, snacks sa amin.
Dito ka na.
Oh, nagkurog-kurog naman. Hello, very nice. There is so nice. I love New York. Yan.
Ang ganda pala niya.
One snacks me. Dili mo misaon na nga. Oh, dahil. Ayan o, dala mong baon. Ano yan, Helen? Mga ona video. Allah, wow! Look at this! Ayan! Stop by, mag-breakfast kami dito. Wow! Itong mga pagkaon na kayo. Nagluto para bagid sila Ate Mayed. Ayan. Wow. Sige, kain lang.
Laglin, duhalin, Canada ug US.
Welcome to Canada.
Hi, welcome to Canada. New York and Canada boundary. Ayan.
X3.
Inspection na.
Labas naman yung
Labas na yung mga passporte niyo. Pasaporte. Ayan guys. Downtown Ontario.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the left.
Ontario.
Ayun, Victoria.
Enter ko diri.
Ayan na yung mga mukha. Wow.
Mga turista kami.
We just got here, you guys. This is our bed. Alright, we just got here. We're just chilling. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Mamaya, mag-retouch. Tapos, gala kami mamaya sa falls. At currently situation. Relax lang. Ayan. Ano yan? Sinusulat. Ayan. We're gonna have some dinner and and then walk to the falls later. We just get our appetizer. So we'll have flatbread. Oh, this is so good. Mozzarella stick. Yeah, enjoy. Ayan. Alright, I got my fettuccine alfredo with shrimp. Ate Mayetto got the same one. Ay! There you go. Okay, what you got, Dax? Samisa. The meatballs at Helen. Good. Burger. Hi. A beautiful weather. Yeah. It's not too cold. We're just gonna stroll around, guys, and yeah. Sa'yo nakita niyo. It's beautiful. Look at the waters. Just incredible. Oh, that's again. Wala na, asa na to mo ka ba nabiyaan namin. Sideline
Picture good. Saan yun? After the Kauban.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
Ang anak-anak na siya, di or parang matuyog pang paingan ganito.
Asan sila?
Pero ay, stage.
Ano? Oh my God. Tara sa tadaring gilid daw.
Diba dili kayo? Picture!
Oh my goodness, this is unbelievable, you guys! This is just amazing. Like, you will not believe. Oh, just look at that.
Back to the story. I love it. I texted her this week. I feel bad. Ay, libre ba yun? Oh my God.
Heading back to the hotel room, you guys. We're gonna go relax.
We're going
and then
back.
tomorrow it's another adventure.
Because we are all exhausted.
From 9 hours of drive.
Our feet hurt.
Especially our driver, Ate Maya. Power kaya sa Ate Maya no, driver. Pauli sa mga kay sa ikasulti ni Ate Helen. Sakit na mo, TLT? Ate Maya, mag-relax namin sa iyo. Para ugma na po.
Power out.
Ay, nindot kayo diri guys.
Tapos, bukas restart na naman.
Okay, we're stopping for coffee here at Tim Horton Fresh. Alright, so we all washed and ready for bed. Tomorrow is another day, so everybody's going to sleep now. So sleepy and tired. Good night, see you tomorrow.